In the last video we have talked about that how many types of operators we have. In this video we'll talk about arithmetic operators. You can see in my screen that arithmetic operator is there, right? You just tell me, just pause this video and write in the chat section that how many arithmetic operators we have. All know that how many types of arithmetic operator we have. The first is addition, second is subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. And in Java we have two extra, that is increment and other one is decrement. What is increment and what is decrement? I have opened my Java file, so within this we'll write the code. So at first what we have to do, we have to declare a variable. Now let me declare two variables. One is int a, and we are declaring the variable, and a equals to 10 means we are initializing the variables. Int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20, then int c equals to a plus b. What will be the output? For getting the output, what you have to write, system.out.println c. Println c. We have used the addition, so let me compile the code. Java say hello.java, Java hello, we are getting 30. The value of your a is 10 and the value of your b is 20, and we are getting the output that is 30. Now you can do other things, like we can go for the subtraction. For subtraction, what we have to write, int d equals to a minus b. What will be the output? It will be minus 10. Int a equals to a into b. Int f equals to a divided by b. Rather we'll write b divided by a, so we'll write this b minus a. So let me print all of that. In this line what we'll get 10, we'll get 200 and we'll get 2. Int c, int d and int e. Int d, int e, okay, my mistake, int e, okay, my caps is on, and int f. I'm writing Java C hello.java, and I'm writing Java hello. As you can see that c equals to a plus b means 30, d equals to b minus a, I'm getting 10, e equals to a into b, and f equals to b by a, I'm getting 2. We are getting the expected output. We have covered these four operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we'll talk about modulus. What module is? Suppose a equals to 25 and we are dividing a by 10. So what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 5. So this 5 will be your modulus. Suppose I am writing, I'm declaring the two variables. Suppose x equals to 10, and int y equals to 3, int z equals to 10 module y. Okay, sorry, my mistake. X module y. You just write in the chat section the value of z, what output we'll get in z. Let me compile this. Java C hello and Java hello. What we are getting, that is 1. The value of z is 1. We have covered the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the module operation. So we are just left with two operators. Let me clean this code. Okay, now we'll be talking about increment and decrement. I'm writing b equals to 11, then system.out.println, I am writing a plus plus. And another thing is, you can also write this a plus plus here. You can also write this a plus plus here. So if you write a plus plus here, we are just writing a. You just tell me that what the output will get. You can see the value of a is 10 and we are printing a here. Now what is the value of a? That is 11. Plus plus means we are incrementing our value by 1. Plus plus stands for we are incrementing our value by 1. And you can also write a equals to a plus 1. That is the other thing. And let me tell you about a decrement. B, I am writing b minus minus So I'm printing B. Now you just tell me that what will be the value of A and what will be the value of B. Just write in the chat section. Let me clear my screen. I am writing Java C hello.java. I've compiled that successfully. Now I'll run that. What is the value of A? That is 10. What is the value of B? That is 11. Now what we are getting, the value of A is 11, the value of B is 10. We have incremented our A by 1 and we have decremented our B by 1. I hope the concept of arithmetic operator is clear. In the next video, we'll be talking about the relational operator. See you in the next video. Bye.